Okay, Mario. Now, what I'm understanding is you
Mhm.
you are putting the blame on me, saying that I used the V app and I said make payment for another number. Is that what you're blaming me?
I'm saying in the V app, the payment receipt will show if you have made a payment through a V app.
Again, can
You
I?
have the payment receipt in the V app, sir,
No,
if
no,
you have made the payment.
1 minute. I'm asking you a simple question.
Mm-hmm.
You are saying that I went to the V app and I said
Sir,
make.
I'm not saying
Then
because
who
I'm
said?
not saying because
Then
I don't know how you have made the payment.
I,
You told me you have just let me confirm. Sir, you are saying you made a payment through a VI app and
yes,
your VI app receipt is not showing.
exactly. So that means there is a
And
one
if
minute,
when
one
your
minute,
payment is done in
one
the
minute,
VI app, the receipt will show.
Mario, 1 minute. Please don't jump the gun. Will you allow me to talk?
Yeah, sir.
Will you
Sorry,
allow
sir.
me
You
to
say.
talk?
Yeah. Sorry, sir.
So what you're saying is, I made the payment through V app and I
Sir,
went through.
I'm not saying you told me you have made a payment through VI app.
Mario,
The same
can you?
complaint I put forward.
Mario, can you allow me to complete?
Sir, your complete
You
statement is saying wrong. No, you are
so
saying a wrong
allow
thing.
me to complete.
Sir, you
Allow
told
me
me.
to complete.
Sir, you are completing it the wrong way.
Allow me to
If
complete.
you can keep the facts right, sir,
Allow
you
me to
told me
complete.
that receipt
Allow
I
me
can
to
allow you to
complete.
complete. No, that's
Allow
because
me to.
you told me.
Allow me. Allow me
I
to
put the complaint
complete.
that way. And
Allow
you
me to
told me that
complete.
you have done so and so
Allow
and
me
that
to
put it to the
complete.
company.
Allow
That
me
this is
to
the way the
complete.
customer has done.
Allow me to complete. Will you allow me to complete?
So I'll allow
Will
you
you
to
allow me
complete
to
only if
complete?
you say it
Will
correctly
you
what
allow
you have
me to
given to me.
complete?
I will allow
Will
you
you?
to complete only
Will you allow me to complete?
only
Will
if you
you
say
allow
correctly,
me
sir.
to
Whatever
complete?
conversation
Will
has
you
happened, you will
allow
say
me
it
to
correctly.
complete? Will
I'll
you
allow you to
allow me to
complete only
complete?
if you
Will
are
you allow me to
if you are
complete?
not twisting everything, then I'll allow you to complete, sir.
Will
Please
you
don't
allow?
twist it.
Listen, if you know how to make
Okay.
conversation, when a person finishes, then you say you said this wrong, you said this wrong. So will you allow me to complete?
I'll allow to complete, but I will not listen something where you are twisting anything, sir.
I am not twisting. You didn't even allow me to complete.
You are just putting on me everything. I am
You
trying to
put it
help
on
you
me.
here.
You're the one who said
I'm
that
trying
I
to
was
help
at
you here.
fault.
I figured out certain things which
1 minute.
in 10 days nobody had tried to figure out.
1 minute. Why are you not allowing me to complete my statement and then ask me there's something? There is.
Because
You
what you
don't
spoke to me
interrupt in between.
what you
You.
spoke to me day before yesterday and what you're saying now,
What
that
am
is
I saying now?
contradicting.
What am I saying now?
Day before yesterday you came to me, you said you made a payment through VI app.
Yes.
I said in the VI app the receipt will show. You
Allow
told
me to complete. Will you allow a person to talk first?
Yeah.
Will you allow? After
Yeah.
I finish, I said, you are saying that on the V app, if I have made the payment, I have gone to make payment for other number. Is that correct?
I told you in the VI app there is an option called make bill payment for other.
Again, Mario, can you answer with a yes or a no?
No,
Again, can I ask a question?
No.
You are saying that if I have made the if I have made the payment to V app, I have gone and made the option pay for other number. Is that correct?
No.
Then
I told you, sir, this payment which you have done, that is, you have put a wrong number, that is 6565 in the end.
that is what I'm asking you, Mario. Are you trying to fool me, Mario? If I put six,
Sir, now I'm answering you. Let me come.
you're not. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing.
I know
You
what you're
said.
doing, and
You said.
I let you complete. You told me you.
No, 1 minute. I have not completed.
I will not answer you.
I am asking you for a yes or a no answer.
No,
You are just going on the blabbering.
I told you no.
1 minute. What you're saying is, if I have made payment through the V app, I went to make payment for other phone and I punched this number. Is that correct? The wrong number. Is that correct?
No.
Okay.
I'll tell you what I told you. Can I tell you now what I told you?
Okay, you tell me.
I told you, sir, you have made a payment on wrong number 6565. You said that is not possible. How can it happen through a VI app?
Yes.
And I told you, sir, there is an option in the VI app
Yes.
where it gives you an option to make bill payment for others. That it might be the case that it might have gone from there if you have made a payment through VI app, because I don't know the mode which you have made the payment.
Again, I repeat.
I'm just assuming things.
No, don't assume.
Yes.
Don't assume. I'm telling you, I made it through the V app.
Yes, and then I told you online transaction, if you're putting a number, mistake will never happen.
No, one second. Where do I need to put a number? I don't need to put a number when I make a phone payment through the V app.
Sir, if you are not putting a number, the receipt is automatically generated in the
Again, if it is not, wait. Okay, now if I prove to you. Now, if I prove to you, there is an SMS alert which has come to me where I spoke to an officer at 5:15,
Okay.
and immediately an alert comes saying that you spoke at 8 o'clock in the night. What do you have to say about this? Do you want me to send that image to you? If you have a mobile number, you can send it to me. So what do you have to say about that? That is through Vodafone. Is that correct?
Sir, if you are speaking to me right now, correct, and if you call up helpline that you have spoken to me, he will not able to know.
No, what? Again, you are not, Steve. I'm asking you. You know what is the problem? You are trying very hard to put the blame on me. Is that correct?
Sir, he's not putting blame. No, because
Then-
online, everybody knows. Even the higher voice who has technical knowledge about the things, they know that online transaction mistakes will not happen.
No,
Because
one
there are
second. So,
so many validations.
no,
There are so many
my
validations
question,
which
my
customer has to go
question to you, Mario,
Huh.
is that can we go statement by statement?
through. I didn't get you, sir.
Can we go? I make one statement. You say yes or no. Is that possible? Is that
Yeah,
possible?
it is possible. Why is it not possible? It is
Okay.
possible.
Okay. So I am saying I made the phone e-payment through VI app. Are you okay with that statement?
I am listening, sir. That the day before yesterday also you told me you made a payment through VIS.
No, 1 second. That's what I said. See, you don't even allow a person to finish. I said, can we make go statement by statement? Can I start again?
Yeah, start.
I made the payment through VI app. Are you okay with that?
I don't know, sir, which mode you have said. You are
Again, I'm saying, are you okay with that statement? I am making the statement, my friend. I am again repeating.
Sir, you are making the statement that I'll have to validate from the team.
No need to validate. Let me go one by one. Let me.
Sir, how can I tell a customer?
I am saying, my friend, I am not telling you to say yes or no. I said, are you okay with that? I am saying it.
I'm okay, yes.
Beautiful.
The same way I put it to the team that you have made it through VIS and they are asking me for the receipt.
1 minute. Okay. That's
VIS
number one.
receipt they are asking me.
1 second. Can I? That's what I said. Why are you going extra comments, my friend? I'm going one by one.
Okay.
I am again repeating.
Yeah.
I am saying that I made the phone payment through VI app. Are you okay with the statement?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Number two, for the payment to go to a wrong number credit,
Mm-hmm.
I must have punched pay for other mobile. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Possibility.
No, why possibility? Just now you said it cannot be, there cannot be an error. How can it be possibility? Definitely, no. It is definitely. Can I go again with the second statement?
Yeah.
The second statement is, if I have made the payment through VI and if it went to a wrong number credit, it means I have punched make payment to another number and I punched this number. Is that correct?
I didn't get you, sir. Can you repeat that?
I am repeating. If I have made the payment through VI app and if the credit has gone to the wrong mobile number, it means I have punched make payment to other number and I punched this mobile number. Is that correct? The wrong number, what you're saying?
Yes, in VI app, if you are putting any postpaid active Vodafone number, the payment will go to that particular number.
Again, I repeat. If I don't use that facility, it means it will be credited to my mobile number. Is that correct?
There are two options. One is directly pay bill. If you go
Exactly,
on pay bill,
exactly, Mario. Exactly. I am saying pay directly bill. If I have done that, you are saying it cannot go to credit to another number. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Because the account number, along with the mobile account number, your ID.
Mario, can you just make simple English, man? I said allow me to go statement by statement. I'm repeating my third statement.
Okay.
If I have made direct bill payment,
okay,
the credit should go only to my telephone mobile number. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. If it has gone to another number, means I have punched the option pay for other number. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Are you able to prove this?
Sir, this is like through bank. Yes, I can prove it. If you go to the bank, they have the record. That
1 minute, my friend. If you are saying that in Vodafone I have used this facility pay for other number, why should the bank be proving it? You should be proving it, no, Mario?
Because bank will have the first details of your transaction.
Arey Mario, I have made the payment, Mario. I have made the payment through your
You have
portal.
made the payment through our
Mario,
portal.
I have made the payment through your portal.
Yes,
Where-
on Vodafone number.
Mario, I have made the payment through your portal, which is an app,
Okay.
and you are saying that I have punched pay for other number. Correct?
Correct.
Correct. So why should the bank be proving it? It is done through your app.
Sir, you are asking for the proof. I am not asking. You are saying you have not done it.
Yes.
You are saying that.
Yes, I have not done it.
So, only to prove that, your bank will only have the details for it, sir.
No, but why? My bank, I have made you talk to my bank. My bank
Yeah,
spoke.
that's what I'm saying, sir. Take me on con call with your bank.
I am not going to do something because of your mistake, Mario, and then you're blaming me.
Sir,
You started the phone conversation before I put this whole thing on recording. You started the conversation saying that I am at fault. You started it, and you are not able to prove it to me.
whose fault it is then? Because I can prove you. I'll open my Vodafone app. I'll put your number. The payment from my card will go on your number. I can prove that.
No. 1 minute. You cannot prove that I have done it. You cannot
Sir,
prove.
that-
You are assuming.
The person being at home online, that person, no, the person who is helping you, he doesn't have any clue.
Who's helping me?
Because
I am making my own payment.
Because you have done. You are aware of it, what you have done.
Exactly.
You can scream, you can shout on the opposite person.
I am not screaming.
No,
I am not
this person is
screaming.
Trying to help. This person is trying to help. Yes,
You are not helping me.
details. Yes,
You are not helping me.
But I can also say that I have not done it. You prove me.
Okay, so
Exactly.
when I tell you this, I demand that it has to be put on record. And you are saying you will not put on record. That's what you're telling me. Is that correct?
Sir, how can I put? See, sir, I'm making a certain payment through a particular app. I'm putting my colleague's number, and tomorrow I'm going to a company telling them you prove me. Why will company prove me?
No,
Because
but
I
that is
know
your
I-
app.
Why will
First
company
and
prove
foremost,
me?
no colleague of mine paid my bill. I paid my own bill.
You have paid, so there is a validation, 2-3 validation.
If your validation is not working, am I to be responsible? If your validation, I have proved to you that when I have spoken to your help desk number, where they send me an SMS at 5 o'clock saying that I spoke to them at 8 o'clock in the night.
Sir,
This is your system.
Bill desk never belongs to telecom. Bill desk is always done through bank only.
I am not talking of bill desk, I am talking of help desk. Can you understand English? Help desk. HELP. Help desk.
Sir, I am actually taking this conversation explaining. Help desk will not explain so much.
No, you don't need to do me a favor. Mario, you don't need to do me a favor. You don't need to do me a favor. Because what you did is
Why will I do? Because I identified. No, what
you have not identified. You have just accused me. You have just accused me. You have not identified.
Your transaction, I'm just trying to tell you that this has happened and you're thinking it is an accusing you.
Of course.
What can I do?
When I have not done it, why do you want me to accept it?
Doctor is trying his best, whoever doctor will it be, and the operation won't be successful. The person will accuse doctor only.
No, 1 minute. So what are you trying to say, that you're a doctor of Vodafone who's trying to tell me that I made my own payment? You're trying to tell me that I made my own payment using pay for other number facility through your VI app. That's what you're telling me. That's what you're telling me.
Sir, right now the team is asking for the Vodafone app receipt.
No, but if your system doesn't issue a receipt, am I to be responsible? If your system doesn't issue a receipt, am I to be responsible? I gave you a proof that when I spoke to your help desk, you're hearing bill desk, and I said your help desk
connected me day before yesterday. That transaction number is also wrong.
So my dear friend, why are you making me go through circles for your mistake?
Sir, your bank is also not helping, no sir.
Who told you? Who told you? Where is your backend doing any work?
Your bank is giving wrong. Even on the statement, they are not giving you transaction ID. Verbally, they are giving you wrong transaction ID.
No, 1 second. So what I will do, my friend, since I've got this whole telephone conversation on recording, let me send it to your CEO. Let him decide. Is that okay with you, Mario?
Okay, sir. Because I have from the company, I'm following to the company. What company is asking me to take from the customer, that I'm communicating to you.
No, you're not telling. You started with accusing me. You straight started accusing me,
sir,
saying that
whatever it is, it's like 330 amount or 3,000 amount. It doesn't matter. If you feel that accusing you will solve your problem, then you can go ahead, sir, with that.
No. Let me go ahead. Let me send this recording. Let your CEO decide.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.